Royal Canin Dog Food Review: Premium Kibble or Hidden Ingredients? Is Royal Canin still the gold standard in dog nutrition, or is your pup munching on mystery meat? Let's break down the 2025 verdict. Royal Canin is backed by veterinary science with breed-specific and prescription diets that target everything from kidney health to skin allergies, digestible proteins, and EPA/DHA for coat and gut health, prebiotics and fiber blends for sensitive stomachs, and made in company-owned US facilities for quality control. But flip the bag and you'll find some eyebrow-raising ingredients, meat byproducts, nutrient-rich but vague sourcing, corn gluten meal, cheap protein, low bioavailability, artificial colors and preservatives, unnecessary extras. Gluten meal, problematic for sensitive pups. If your dog has medical needs, Royal Canin's formulas can be life-changing. But if you're chasing clean labels and whole foods transparency, you might want to explore alternatives. Royal Canin earns praise for its targeted nutrition and clinical backing, but it's not the cleanest label on the shelf. If your dog has specific health needs, it might be worth the price and prescription.